Hi guys, I'm Trishant's and Daksh's dad. And Daksh, who is holding this camera right now, was saying that, Dad, why don't you come to the KidOzKitchen and prepare something today? So something I've recently tasted. It's called falafel, and it's Middle Eastern, a snack. So when I had that, I realized that it tastes like something similar to a snack which we make in southern part of India, a place called Kerala. It's called Parippu Vada. So in today's show, we're gonna make that. To start with, I'm gonna show you what all ingredients we're gonna use. Okay, so we got lentils. It's chana dal. That's for the Parippu Vada. And for the falafel, we start with chickpeas. And if you can, as you see, the spices, they are almost similar. So the spices are turmeric powder, black pepper. That's the whole black pepper we're gonna use. Red chili powder, lime juice, coriander powder, and cumin powder. We have plain flour, bit of baking powder, onion, garlic, chili,
and salt.
Great. And we're going to use, this is called asafetado. We call in Hindi, it's called hing. And with that, we're going to use some curry leaves and coriander leaves. And if you see like chickpeas, which we use for the falafel, we have soaked them like overnight, and so that it will become very soft. And after putting all the ingredients, we have to grind them, make it like a coarse mix. Okay, for the falafel, we need the main ingredients, like as I said, chickpeas. Look like this, you can see that. Okay, once you want to touch it? All right, we're gonna add all the ingredients like cumin powder, coriander powder, lime juice, and white plain flour, and the baking soda. And once we have mixed, and along with the coriander leaves. So once we have mixed it, we grind it, as I said, like it's a coarse grind. And also, sorry to mention, I mean, we have to add onions as well, bit of garlic and chilies as well, green chilies.
Onion and garlic, they're healthy.
Really?
Yes.
Ah. Yes, you're right.
I'm back. So what are we doing?
So now the cameraman is switched, so it's now Trishant who is holding the camera. For the Parippu Vada, what do you call it, dal, we have to pre-soak for about 2 to 3 hours at least, so that it can become soft, and it should look like this, as you can see. Okay, and the ingredients which we're going to use is turmeric powder, black pepper, red chili powder, onions. Onions need to be very thinly grated. You don't have to paste it. Okay, and few flakes of garlic, green chili, and salt, and of course the curry leaves, because that's a very important ingredient for the Parippu Vada. For the falafel, we'll mix chickpeas and all the spices before we grind them. Okay, for the falafel, the preparation is ready. You can see as it's very coarse, it's not very fine. So that's what we need, so that it can taste a bit crunchy when you fry. And we have to make a small bowl kind of thing. So I have used
it's not like a bowl, it's like a chopped up bowl, like into
exactly.
half.
Yeah, exactly. So you can see I've taken a scoop of that, and we gave a little bit of a shape. So just a little bit, give a press, okay, and try to take it in your hand. Can you see a shape like this? So we need that kind of shape. Other way is, sometimes some people don't feel they don't have scoop like this, which I have got. You can take it in your hand, try to make like a ball. Okay, as you can see that I'm making a little bit of ball like that. Okay, gentle press like this, and you can see I've given a similar kind of shape. Okay, you see that? See, from the bottom is flat, from the top like a little bit of round, like a helmet. Just put it like that. As you can see, the Parippu Vada mix is ready, and I have grinded it. As you can see, it's like a bit coarse, and with that I have added few the whole lentil, like the dal as well. That will give it like a crunchy taste when you fry. I've added all the spices as well. You can see the red chili, I've added turmeric powder, bit of you can see like the whole pepper, salt according to taste, and I'll add as I said, like I grated the onions. Don't make it very thin chopped, because it might release the water. Okay, so, and the curry leaf, as you can see, it's very nicely thinly sliced, and garlic. So once we have put all in this one, we just have to give a nice mix. As you can see, I'm giving a nice mix. Yeah, you want to mix it? It might be too spicy for you in your hand because it has got red chili powder. Now we're gonna start making the vada, and I'll show you how to make the vada shape as well. Okay, so take the vada, make it ball kind of thing. You can make bigger as well, you can make smaller size as well. That's up to the way you want to. Once you have made like this, now you can see, put in your one hand, give a press like that, and see that I've given the shape. See, this is very thin, and the middle there's like a little bit of bump over there, so it should look like this. Okay, put in the plate. Okay, another video, so I've made it like a little bit shape. Okay, to fry the falafel, we put some oil, well, not some, like pretty much half of it, because we have to deep fry it. So to test if the oil is ready, just we put like a small tiny bit of that into the oil and see it's getting fried. It should come on top the moment it gets dry. See, you can see. So now we'll put into the oil. You can see that. Be careful when you're making the oil is very hot. You shouldn't end up burning yourself.
And either way, always do this in adult supervision.
Yes, because the KidOzKitchen, it's a kids show. Though today I'm the one who's making. I'm also a kid.
You can see like a little bit of it's turning like a goldish brown color.
You can see it's ready. You can see that a little bit golden brownish color. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer that into the plate. Now in the same oil, we're gonna fry the Parippu Vada, as you can see. Yeah. So they're like a pretty big in size, so you don't have to put like too many. Just maybe 3. Depends upon the size of the deep fry pan you're using. As you can see, that is changed to like a golden brown. That's the color which we need. Can you bring it like a bit closer? See? Wow, that's a beautiful. Look at that. Yeah. And move it to the same plate. You can use the same plate. The preparation is done. As you can see, this is falafel, and this is Parippu Vada. Okay. Now you can see the difference, the shape, and color, size, and everything. 2 different nations. This is Middle East. This is southern part of India, place called Kerala. And with the tea. Can you see that? It's a special tea.
And
you see the froth in there?
And we had juice.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so I'll give Trishan and Dash, they are my guests today, I'll say, to taste it. Alright?
How dare you?
Yes, you are my guest.
How dare you?
Oh, you already started eating it? Alright.
He can't control
Okay.
it at all.
Tell me, how's the taste?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, out of 10, what's the rating you're gonna give?
100.
Sorry, no, out of 10, how many rating? Not 100. 10?
No, 100.
What?
Okay, so maybe
Alright,
he's going
that's
to
good.
overscore.
Out of 10,
Yeah,
he's
so
giving me 100, which is fantastic. And how about you?
10.
Yeah?
10. 9.5, 10.
9.5, 10? Alright. He's giving 9.5. He doesn't have good taste. I'm saying he's 10. Alright. I'll taste it and I'll see how it's going to taste. So it's nice. It's pretty soft. That's the way you want. And Parippu Vada, very nice, crunchy. So hope you like this recipe. Please
Hit that little bell.
hang on. Let me complete. Let me complete.
Hey, Mr. Bellman, please.
Okay. Please. Please click on that thumbs up button down below. Okay. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that.
Hit that bell, hit that bell, hit that bell, hit that.
And either way, before this ends, always share it with some other people, okay? Well, some friends.
That's good. Yeah, please share the video as well.